Hey there, Coaster Addict fans. Well, start a show as we're here at Steel Vengeance, the much anticipated new for 2018 ride. So for those of you guys who want to know about the lines, it's very deceitful as that is mostly hidden, but there's a cute little sign out here. First of all, they actually have a new set of lockers over here, so they are telling you as soon as you hit that railroad tracks that because of the nature of the ride, you need to put your loose articles inside one of these bins. So they do have a new set of lockers set over here for those loose articles. They're not free, of course. And then for anybody who wants to know about wait times, if you see over there, the wait time says about 30 minutes. They're lying. And yes, I know that's a fast lane, but here, they're telling you current wait time is approximately 2, 3, 4, 4.5 hours. And they're trying to deter people from line jumping, of course. But Steel Vengeance is up, it's running. Hopefully we can get a chance to see it run, but operations is obviously in its first weekend. A very impressive ride here at Cedar Point. So get down here and check it out for yourself. Just be ready to wait. 3-4 hour wait right now. The app's posting a 4.5 hour wait, so be prepared to wait in line for Steel Vengeance. Go. Welcome to Cedar Point 2018, the Steel Vengeance opening weekend here. As Steel Vengeance says, open to the general public to about 3.5 to 4.5 hour wait. So if you want to ride it this weekend, you got to wait, as we're going to wait for it to come back around and do one of the best elements on the ride. That is a sneaky awesome element. So there it is, folks. Let's take a look at all the things new here at Cedar Point 2018. We'll take a look at some of the new food options, look at the gift shops. Take a look at all that's here to offer you fans. Also new for 2018 is the Steel Vengeance shop right outside of the Steel Vengeance roller coaster. Get your Steel Vengeance merchandise. Get a cool hoodie. Let's take a look at some of the stuff that they have to offer here. Nice array of shirts and cups. Some bags. Hoodies, mugs. Actually, I like that mug up there quite a bit. That might be the one that I end up getting, actually. That's a pretty neat mug. I like to collect mugs. But this is all now rethemed for Steel Vengeance. Everything in here, Steel Vengeance, or of course you can get your delightful sweets and candies. So the Steel Vengeance shop, right outside of Steel Vengeance, here at Cedar Point. So, also new here at Cedar Point for the 2018 season to go with Steel Vengeance. They redid FrontierTown a lot, adding some new food options. This might be one of the best. The Sidewinder loaded fries. These are really awesome. You get a couple different options, as you can see over there. You got smoked brisket, pulled pork, specialty nachos. A really awesome option. On the other side, you also have a Coca-Cola station as well for your drink, if you are on the meal or drink plan as well. Also, of course, there is Maverick in here for 2018. First of all, the opening of Steel Vengeance has not decreased the wait time. As you can see, there's still about an 1.5 hour wait for Maverick, but they are reinstalling some new show scenes that was once originally with Maverick way back when it originally opened inside of the tunnel. So even Maverick's getting a little bit of a facelift here this year to go with Steel Vengeance. Still a long wait though. Still gotta wait a while for Maverick. Well worth the wait though. So another new eatery here at Cedar Point, or at least a new option for your meal plan here, is at Miss Keats Smokehouse. You get the option on your meal plan of one entree and one side. Here you get some nice barbecue, slow cooked, small, big bold barbecue taste, as I'm falling over my words. But part of the reef theming, or the additional theming at least here to FrontierTown, And another delicious new option also over here is the Roundup. And as you can see over there, the Steel Vengeance characters are out and about here today too, which is kind of an interesting meet and greet opportunity. It's kind of more in the Disney fashion, but this year they are introducing this whole new idea of a new theming for Cedar Point, trying to make it into a resort idea. So meet and greets kind of make sense in that regard. But the Roundup also is offering different kind of barbecue options, as well as this entire theme is basically Steel Vengeance, Steel Vengeance, Steel Vengeance here in FrontierTown. Today also the addition of the Bluegrass Jamboree stage. This weekend they have one of the contestants from America's Got Talent as well to show things off. So more options here at Cedar Point 2018 opening weekend. Well, yeah, it's on the ground. Oh, so everything's like there. I just think like moved it. It's easier to work on the ground than, you know, over and like reach in. There's no way. So I didn't do it. What do you guys think? This is basswood? Or? Yes, it's all basswood. And think of the plastic vengeance. Anything that's steel on the real one's 3D printed here. So there's over 3,200 3D printed parts on this. And they're all uniquely designed. Like each ledger is like different lengths. Like on the barrel roll or inline twist, whatever you want to call it. That's all uniquely 3D printed. And all the track is.